Hi, and welcome to our channel, Coatbusters. I'm Dan. We're here together today with my friends, and we want to find out the most durable product for detailing. To provide equal conditions, we've divided the car hood into 14 pieces. Then, we apply the wax to the hood. Our new challenge is between Swissvax and Chemical Guys. Let's get started. As you can see, the box design is quite nice. And it also smells nice. All applications are done with a microfiber cloth. This is the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. It should be shaken before application and distributed through the surface equally. For testing them, we use this bottle of water. In this one, we have detergent, and the water with high pH is in this one. This is water, and this one is mud. Now it's time to start our tests. First one is water. We test their ability to repel water. The water repellent seems good at first impression, but let's see after pouring on some more water. Chemical Guy seems pretty well for water repellency. We can say it definitely works better than Swissvax. Have a look at this muddy water. Muddy water is poured almost equally to all the surfaces. Swissvax is just one step better than Chemical Guys. However, Dodo Juice is still good in this competition. Let's clean them with some water. Chemical Guys holds less stain and easily wins the cleaning test. Scratch test. This is the test that I like. We made scratches with this lighter. Do not try this at home. In comparison to the uncoated area, both of them protect better. However, none of them is good enough. Now we are going to use the water with high pH and wash the hood with a firm brush and see if they maintain their efficiency. Swissvax looks a little bit smoother, but it seems as though they were not working properly.